Every year, millions walk these paths, breathing in the peace.
But few realize that beneath their feet lies a crime scene.
Before the park, there was a village here.
And in 1857, the city wanted it gone.
Good afternoon, Brother Jenkins.
Sister Eliza, lovely day for the harvest, isn't it?
Wait for me. The new water rates are a scandal, I tell ya.
Aye, but we'll have our say come the vote next week.
But the elites of New York had a different plan.
And Seneca Village was in the way.
First came the surveyors. Then came the smear campaign.
You can't do this! This is our home!
You have to leave now! Where will we go?
Residents fought back in court, they fought back in the streets.
Police department, get on the ground!
Clear the room! Move!
By 1857, everyone was gone.
For over a century, the story of Seneca Village was forgotten.
Until 2011, when archaeologists finally broke ground.
Today, only a few small signs mark the spot.
Seneca Village.
Central Park is beautiful, but it was built on broken promises.
Oh, that one looks great.
Yes, look at the background.
We should post it right away.
Some of these trees, they might have been saplings when the village stood.
We can't undo the past.
It's just so beautiful out today.
I know, I love coming here on the weekends.
This was Central Park West, before it was destroyed by greed.
It's still there.
This was the heart of the village.
Catch me if you can. I'm gonna get you. Wait for me.
New York is a city of ghosts, and you just walk through one.
See you in the past.